Hi, I've been following this tutorial on installing IBM Connections 4 and Red Hat Linux. And what I'm going to show you here is how to add users to your IBM Connections system after the fact. So I've got a server up and running, it's working, but it's only got 1 or 2 users in it, so I'll need to add some more users. So if we have a look at task 3 here, it says prepare for use with LDAP, and it says from a Domino administration client register the following 2 users. So I was at a bit of an impasse here because I didn't realise that the Domino administration clients only run on Windows. So here's a Windows system, and I'm going to fire up Domino admin client. Now I've got a user here called admin dude that if you've been following the tutorial, you'll know about admin dude. So I'm going to just add admin dude's password, and then if we're in luck, we should be connecting to the server. May take some time. Yay, we've connected to the server, and we know this because it tells us what server it's on. So let's have a look what we can do. So over here I want to register a person now, so I need to put in certificate, so I'm going to pop in my password again, and we're going to add a user's name, and we're going to use Charlie Chaplin. And I'm going to give him a simple password. And I'm going to unselect create a notes ID because I'm not interested in notes in this particular thing. I'm going to select a mail system of other internet, and we're going to click on the advanced tab, which you can then go in and have a look at mail, which says other internet. I'm going to give him an email address, which is going to be Charlie@Fusions. As you can see, my thing is mapped incorrectly, and I'm just going to have a look at some of the other stuff. Don't want to create a notes ID. I'm not worried about groups or roaming. Nothing there. So I'm really interested in basic, which is getting his name right. So Charlie Chaplin, short name is Charlie. Password of password. Let's have a look at the password options. They're cancelled out, so that's fine. And the address here, Charlie@Fusions, noting that I've changed the mail system to other internet. Now I'm going to tick this. Password was insufficiently complex, so I'm going to make it a little bit harder. I'm going to put a 0 here instead of the O. Let's hope that that is really complicated. No, no certifier. So I'm going to add this certifier and click go. Now Charlie's ready for registration, so I'm going to click on register all, and this, yay, we're now successfully registered. So that's step 1. The next step is to log into my connection system, which I've already got done. Let me just make this a little bit smaller. In fact, I'll just drag this one over here. And what you can see that I've done here, so I've got a few errors, but I've SSH'd into my system, I've put my password in, I've done some tomfoolery so that I can forward X Windows, and now I've gone into my install wizards, populate wizard thing here, And what this does is it's now forwarded the X Windows session over onto my Mac. So now we can go and populate Charlie into connections. Okay, so I'm now going to select the profiles database, and we're going to go in here, and now this has remembered all my settings from a previous time, so I'm going to add in the password. And the old app server is already configured here. There we go, we need to add in the bind password. Click next again, and again, and next again. Right, it's ready to run its population. So let's do that and see what we get. Okay, so it looks as if we've got previously what it's doing now is it's gone in and had a look, and we've added one record and it's found 11 duplicate records, so it's not bothered with those. So that should be it. So now I should be able to go into my connection server, and I'm going to log in as Charlie. There you go, and there we have it. Charlie Chaplin's now logged in to IBM Connections, and that's that.